The Chevrolet Corvette C4, introduced in 1984, marked a significant departure from its predecessors, ushering in a new era of design, technology, and performance for the iconic American sports car. As the fourth generation of the Corvette lineage, the C4 was a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to innovation and excellence, setting the stage for the modern iterations of the car. The C4 Corvette was designed from the ground up to be a radical departure from the C3 model, which had been in production for over a decade. With a sharper, more aerodynamic design, the C4 embraced the styling cues of the 1980s, while still maintaining the Corvette's unmistakable identity. The clean, angular lines and the absence of chrome details gave it a contemporary appearance, reflecting the shifting tastes of automotive enthusiasts. A key feature of the C4's design was its clamshell hood, which opened to expose the entire engine bay and front suspension, making maintenance significantly easier and showcasing its mechanical prowess. Under the hood, the C4 Corvette introduced a host of technological advancements. Initially equipped with the 5.70-liter V8 engine known as the L83, it featured crossfire injection, a system designed to improve fuel efficiency and throttle response. While the early models were criticized for their modest power output compared to expectations, Chevrolet addressed these concerns in subsequent years by introducing the L98 engine in 1985, which utilized tuned port injection to increase horsepower and torque. By the end of its production run in 1996, the C4 was equipped with the LT4 engine, delivering an impressive 330 horsepower in the Grand Sport and Collector's Edition models, cementing its status as a true performance machine. The C4 also introduced wedge-shaped, a revolutionary new chassis and suspension system, making it one of the best handling cars of its time. The fully independent suspension, combined with a unibody structure with integrated frame rails, provided exceptional rigidity and balance. This architecture allowed the car to corner with precision, offering drivers a level of control that was unprecedented for a Corvette. The use of advanced materials, such as aluminum and fiberglass, helped reduce weight while enhancing structural integrity. These features made the C4 not only a capable performer on the road, but also a competitive contender on the track. Inside the cabin, the C4 Corvette was a showcase of cutting-edge technology for the era. The dashboard featured a fully digital instrument cluster, a bold move that underscored Chevrolet's focus on modernity. The digital display provided critical information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and more, all presented in a futuristic, if polarizing, layout. The interior design emphasized ergonomics, with supportive bucket seats and a driver-centric layout. Although some criticized the interior materials and build quality, the overall design offered a comfortable and functional driving experience. Throughout its production run, the C4 Corvette underwent numerous updates and improvements to stay competitive in the ever-evolving sports car market. Notable milestones include the introduction of the Z51 Performance Package, which added upgrades such as stiffer suspension components and a higher performance braking system. The C4 also saw the debut of the ZR1 in 1990, a high-performance variant that became an instant legend. Powered by a 5.7-liter LT5 V8 engine developed in collaboration with Lotus, the ZR1 delivered 375 horsepower, later increased to 405 horsepower in subsequent years. With its advanced engineering and blistering performance, the ZR1 earned the nickname King of the Hill. The Corvette C4 also made its mark in motorsport, particularly in endurance racing. The car's robust design and impressive performance made it a favorite among private racing teams, and it achieved considerable success in events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans. These accomplishments not only enhanced the C4's reputation, but also reinforced the Corvette's status as a world-class sports car. Despite its many achievements, the C4 Corvette was not without its challenges. The early models faced criticism for their stiff ride quality, attributed to the performance-oriented suspension setup. Additionally, some enthusiasts felt that the car's digital instrument cluster and futuristic design elements were a departure from the traditional Corvette ethos. Nevertheless, Chevrolet's commitment to continuous improvement addressed many of these concerns, ensuring the C4 remained a strong contender in the sports car market. By the time the C4's production ended in 1996, it had left an indelible mark on the Corvette legacy. Over its 12-year run, Chevrolet produced more than 350,000 units, making it one of the most successful generations of the Corvette in terms of sales. The C4 also set the stage for the innovations that would define